Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel. For a long time, I started make videos on different topics, but for many reasons I couldn't start. Finally, with the inspiration from Sakib Bhai, I sat at my desk and started a new journey. Thanks a lot to Sakib Bhai. This is my first video and I was thinking what should be the first topic. Recently, I was on a web project where I needed to draw some graphical elements for visualization. That's what inspired me to start with this fascinating topic, and this is HTML Canvas. Inshallah, I will share this entire project with you all step by step. From now on, I will try to update about my journey, my learning, and some interesting projects. I hope you will support me and please forgive my mistakes I make along the way. I believe that learning together, mistakes are also a part of learning. Now, let's start our main topic, the HTML canvas. If you are learning web development and want to create graphics, animation, or even games using code, you are in the right place. We will learn what Canvas is, how it works, and how we can draw on a web page. What is Canvas? Canvas is an HTML element that works like a blank drawing board inside your web page. Using JavaScript, you can draw shapes like box, circle, lines, text, image, and even create animations. But the canvas is just like a blank board. We must use JavaScript to draw on it, like using a marker. Let's see the basic syntax of the canvas in HTML. We need to give it an ID for uniquely identifying the specific element. Then we specify the width and height of this canvas. That's all. This is the simple canvas we made. But these will not be visible if we don't use JavaScript. If we want to add a border or any colorful design, we need to use CSS. Let's add a simple CSS attribute to make the canvas border visible. Now let's draw something on this canvas. Let's draw a simple line on this canvas. This is the simplest code ever to draw a line on the canvas. First, we catch the canvas with the ID we define first. Then we define the context. Here we use 2D context for drawing on the canvas. GetContext is a method used to get drawing context of a canvas element. Document.getElementById with myCanvas gets the canvas element, and getContext2D get the 2D drawing context. The 2D context is the main object that provides methods for drawing on the canvas, such as drawing shapes, fill rect for drawing a rectangle, arc for drawing a circle, and so on. Drawing lines, move to line 2, setting colors, style, fill style for setting the color of the shape, stroke style for setting the color of the line, drawing text, fill text, and many other drawing operations. The string 2D specifies that we want the 2D drawing context. There is also a WebGL context for 3D graphics, but that is not being used here. After getting the context, you can use it draw on a canvas. Using move to method, we can define where the line will start, and the line to method defines where the line ends. Here we use the starting position of the canvas 00 as the starting point of the line and the ending position 200 where the canvas also ends. The stroke method is used to draw the outline of the shape. Without the stroke method, the path would be defined but not visible. Stroke makes it visible and by drawing the outline of the path. And now we can see the line has been drawn on the canvas. We can draw shapes like rectangles using the JavaScript. And also we draw circle using this code. We draw text as well using this code. And also we can also place an image and draw animation here. Next time we will see more about this inshallah. Let's do a quick recap. We learned how to draw rectangles, circles, lines, and text using HTML canvas. Canvas is powerful and fun, and with a little more code, you can build animation, drawing apps, or even games. Isn't it interesting? Inshallah, in any video, we'll make a game using Canvas. That's all for today. Thanks again for watching this video. Pray for me, take care of your tech mind, and make something interesting.